Hello there, this is me Ashish Verma, welcoming to all of you on my YouTube channel Ashish Engineering. Hope everybody is doing great and living happily with their families. So in today's video, we are going to talk about resume part. Many of you are asking that, sir, please tell us how to create a resume that can be helpful for us because we have created this type of resume. We applied for this particular job, but we didn't get any confirmation, and we didn't get even shortlisted for the resume review. So what is the problem with our resume, sir? Please tell us something. Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover everything. I'm going to show you the sample, and I'm going to tell you the tool that can be helpful for you to creating a resume, and how you are going to tabulate all your information in such a way that it aligns with the job description for the job that you are applying. Okay, so three things you have to keep in your mind. First, the basic information that you have, like your education background, your experience, your certification, and then your voluntary work, all this information if you have, and the job description you have to take for the particular job you are applying. All right, and you have to put all this data together, and you have, if you know how to write sentences in a nice way, you have to integrate this data with Chat GPT. Once you will put your information, you could give your information to Chat GPT and ask him to write objective for your resume, and the experience if you have to show in your resume. So you just give him the prompt that, okay, give me the experience for planning experience based on this data. It will give you experience like this. All right, so it is going to be very helpful. So please watch this whole video from beginning till the end, and you are going to get all the information. And I'm making sure that if you'll create your resume by following all these steps, the chances of you get your resume getting selected will increase by 80%. All right, so the sample going to be like this. The basic information you have to give: your name, your email address, your LinkedIn profile, basic address, so that if companies approaching to you, they can easily get, okay, where you are living, and how they can contact you. The basic phone number, basic I'm using, I mean basic in the sense, the running phone number you have to put. All right, I have highlighted due to security reasons. You have to put your objective, and then professional experience, your designation that you are working at current profile, and then from which month or year you started working, and then who is your client at that particular project, and which company you are working for, and the type of work you are doing there, you have to highlight that also. And then again, if you have 2 to 3 experience, you have to tabulate in this way. And then you have to put your professional skills. I mean, whatever professional skills you possess, you have to tabulate here. And then certification that you have done, the certificates you have to add. And the education that you have to add also, that also. Voluntary work and accolades means whatever achievements you have to put. And the projects that you have done, and languages that you know. Okay, so this is going to be the sample one. All right, now how you are going to write? See, this much information you can write this: your name, your email address, your LinkedIn profile, that though you can write. So how you are going to write this part, this objective part? Let me show you the quick process. All right, I think my network is slow. Let me refresh it. Yeah, it is getting refreshed. You have to log in to Chat GPT. Okay, it's open. Let's go to Google and search sarkari naukri.com. Naukri.com. Okay, let's search. Okay, now we are here in naukri.com. This is my profile. Let me not open it. Okay, let's prepare for this project manager role. Okay, let's go for here, and then I don't want to share my interest right now. I mean, no, I don't want to share my interest. I'm not interested on applying for any of the jobs right now. Let's go for any job. Okay. Let's search for a job. Let's search civil engineering job. Civil engineering job experience. Let's say 3 years. Location. Let's say Delhi. Okay, daily NCR search. So you will be getting, okay, let's say, okay, this job is there. I mean, this 6 years of experience. Let's allow it 2 to 6 years of experience, not disclosed. Money is not disclosed. It is in Noida. So yeah, see, I told you about the job description. So you have this job description, role, industry type, education, and skills they are asking. All right. So what you have to do? You have to do simple. You have to copy this. All this you have to copy this, copy, paste here. Now you have to write a prompt. Say, hi GPT, I am applying for this particular job and I have to write objective for my resume based on this information. Kindly provide me objective within 75 words by highlighting skills. Now you have to just put enter. See, boom. See, dynamic and detail oriented civil engineer with extensive experience in site execution, project management, and construction supervision, seeking to contribute to Express Builders Ltd, adept at developing detailed design, conducting feasibility assessment, and ensuring regulatory compliance, proficient in AutoCAD, quality estimation, and optimizing safety procedures, committed to deliver exceptional project management from planning to completion while confidently liaising with client and subcontractor, dedicated to contributing to success of real estate construction projects through innovations and solutions and effective site management. So this is the objective that you have to write, and see the skills that you have to take. See, a skill that required you come, I mean, site execution, project management, all these supervision, all these skills were required, right? So see, easily you got the description part. So let's go here. This part completed. How many minutes you took? Only 1 minute, right? Now you have to write professional experience. Let's say at your current role, you are working as a planning engineer. So again, you give one prompt to Chat GPT. Hi GPT, I am currently working for L&T, let's say L&T construction as senior planning. Okay, why this spelling is getting wrong? Planning engineer, and I have worked on Primavera P6 and client billing. Kindly write my job experience in 5 bullet points, lining with above job description. aligning is spelling. Okay, boom. You give the prompt. C. Develop dedicated project plan and schedule using Primavera P6 using timely and efficient project execution. Conducted thorough feasibility assessment at site inspection. Manage client billing process ensuring accurate. Monitored. If you have to write in monetary term, just give one more prompt. Kindly include some monetary terms. Monetary terms. See, you got the experience. Simply what you have to do, you have to copy and the paste. Done. Easy, right? Easy, right? Easy. Till here, easy. Professional Excels, job description. Again, you go to job description. Whatever professional skills are listed here, you just copy and paste here. That's it. Got it. Yeah, easy. Certificate. Now it's your part. You have to put your certification based on your certification, that whatever certification that you have to align. You have to put your certification, who gave this certification, on which month and year you completed the certification. All right. Education part, your higher education, and if you have master degree, put your master and bachelor. If you don't have master degree, put your bachelor, your 11th standard, your 12th standard, and 10th standard. That's it. And the year you completed. Voluntary work, whatever work you have done, voluntary work, I mean you are involved with some social work or some cultural work, and the achievement that you have got in your organization or in your college level. That's it. You can put your projects that you are doing your side by side, or skills that you are learning, and for that, for proving those skills, you are doing some projects you can put here, or projects that you have done at college level, you can put those also. And language proficiency, that's it. See, it became very easy to create resume like this, and it will take you around 1 hour, and you will be finalizing your resume, and you are really applying, and the chances of getting you selected will increase by 80%. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you guys. If it is helping you people even a bit, please share this video to all your colleagues so that they can also get this information, and they can create their resume based on the job descriptions, with based on the job profile that they are applying for. And they can take out the job description, they can have basic prompt or experience prompt, they can give the Chat GPT, and boom, this type of resume ready. So all the very best, see you all on the next video. Bye bye.